guys, I'm here again with another video in which I'll be creating a navy blue smoky eye look. So I know it's a bit late video, I mean after a gap, but I was a bit busy. So I'll be using the, it's very unique and like I like the blue color a lot. So I'll be creating the blue smoky eye look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I've already prepped my face. Now for foundation, I'm taking the XP's matte in the shade 01. This is basically a Turkish brand. I don't know whether it's available in Pakistan or not. You can use any foundation. So I'm applying this on my face. I'll apply this on my face and I'll blend this properly with the beauty blender. So after properly blending the foundation, now it's time for concealer. I'm taking the Maybelline Age Divines concealer in the shade light pale. Guys, I love this concealer. This is very good and very easily blendable concealer. So I'm applying this on the usual areas and then I'll blend this with the same beauty blender I used for my foundation. I have also applied this on my lid. Now I'm blending this. So after blending the concealer, now it's time to bake your face. For that, I'm taking the Cryolon's loose powder in the shade T11. Guys, I love this powder as this doesn't make your face cakey, but there is a thing that you need to just apply a single layer. You just need to take a bit and set your face. Don't use a lot of powders on your face. That will give your face a dry feeling. So I'm setting my face with the Cryolon's loose powder on the usual areas where you bake, we bake our eyes so that creasing doesn't occur. So after baking my face with the loose powder, what's next? I'll move toward my eyes. For guys, to deepen up my crease, I'll take the Makeup Revolution style palette and I'll take the contouring shade, and with the blending brush I'll apply this lightly into my crease. I'll go lightly into my, this is not a very dark or not a very light shade, just to give dimension or just to give depth to my eyes. I'll apply this on both of my eyes. This is a very soft blending brush. Here you can see how am I doing it. Do the same, and this is a very simple eye look, guys. We just need two eyeshadow. So after doing this, what's next? Now I'll take the loose, not loose, but the pressed eyeshadow. This is by W8 and this is a very pretty navy blue color. I'll show you guys right now, and that's very pretty color. I'll take this flat brush and this color. This is very pretty color. This is a very pretty navy blue color. I'll sprinkle a bit of rose water क्योंकि उससे वो बहुत पिगमेंटेड सा लगता है. आई हैव ट्राइड अप्लाइंग दिस विद द ब्रश, लेकिन वो ब्रश इतना बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड नहीं आ रहा था जितना कि मैं चाह रही थी. लेकिन तब फिर मैंने उसको बाद में अपनी फिंगर से अप्लाई किया. देखा ब्रश से इट्स नॉट दैट पिगमेंटेड द वे आई वांटेड. फिर मैंने देन आई हैव यूज्ड माय फिंगर्स टू apply this. Look guys, look the difference. This is a key, this is a tip कि आप अपने फिंगर से इस तरह के ग्लिटरी और पिगमेंटेड शेड्स को अप्लाई करें तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा वो प्रोमिनेंट आते हैं. ब्रश के साथ उतने नहीं आते जितना आपकी जो डायरेक्टली आपके फिंगर वो ले सकती है. So after that I'll do the same on my another eye, but first I'll blend this. I'll take again the brownish shade and soften my crease क्योंकि वो sharp edges अच्छे नहीं लगते. I'm pressing my fingers because I want to soften both the colors, so soften the edges कि वो आपस में जो है properly वो ब्लेंड हो जाए। गाइस ब्लेंडिंग इज़ द की, वरना वो बहुत उभरा उभरा बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता। दूसरी आँख पे भी मैंने सेम किया। उसके बाद आई एम टेकिंग इट्स टाइम फॉर mascara. For that I'm taking the Maybelline falsies. Guys, this is a very good mascara. I love this. Now I'll apply a lot of mascara. You'll see me applying a lot of mascara because I love mascaras. So it gives dimensions, you guys. Falsies depends on you. If you want to apply falsies, well and good. If not, फिर भी चलेगा. Now I'll move back towards my face. For contouring I'm taking this brush. This is from Bobbi Brown, and the palette I'm taking Love Plus Halo. And with these two contouring shades I'll give dimensions to my face. I will contour my face, guys. I like a very sharply contoured face, so I'll do a lot of contouring. Please excuse my faces, my duck face, the faces I make to while I'm contouring my face. Please excuse me for that. So I'll contour on the usual areas, guys. I like contouring on my forehead also, and on my like jaw lines, because I have a double chin, on my cheeks, and lastly on my nose. Now after that it's time for the blush. I'll take the same trio palette I've used for my eyes. From that palette I'll take the blush. That's very pretty palette from Makeup Revolution. The blush has a shine in that, gold champagne shine in that. So I'll apply the blush on the cheeks. This is a very pretty rosy blush. This is in the Fair 01. Very pretty rosy blush it is. After that I'll go with a highlight. For that I'll use my favorite Makeup Revolution's Pro Illuminate highlighter. You'll see me using this highlighter in many of my videos, I know, because I love this. This is my like routine to use this. I like this, guys. Here's a tip. After applying a highlighter on the apple of your cheeks, just smile and apply highlighter on the area you applied blush. ठीक है, बहुत shiny glowy look देगा आपकी face को. So after that, what's next? Now it's time for your lips. For that I'll take these two things. For lining my lips I'll take Rivaj U-Kiss lip liner, and then for filling my lips I'll take the Clazona's 504 liquid lipsticks. This is a very pretty nude shade, and for this kind of bold eyes you need the nude lips definitely. I'll go with the Clazona's 504 shade. These are very pretty shades. These lipsticks are very good. So I'll apply this properly. I've slightly overlined my lips, but not much. So guys, I'm almost done. Here is almost like the final look is guys, coming to your way. It's simple. Here's the final look. I hope you guys like the look, and I'm also loving how it came out. It's really simple, just two eye shades and a simple nude lipstick. I always like going nude with the bold eyes. When my eyes are sharp, I like nude lips. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or like this. Please comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.